Hey there, good morning all of you. Welcome back once again to the channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about something very important that has arisen. That is what? That is your offline examination. If you are preparing for NTA UDC NET examination and your subject is psychology, then this is the big news from the center right now that the exam is going to happen in an offline mode, which is exactly the good news which you were waiting for. So it's a good news for you because you don't have to do all the trouble with that stupid computer that keeps on hanging and hanging and hanging. So you are safe now from this dilemma, but you must remember the two dilemmas: the prisoner's dilemma in your unit number 8, as well as the what dilemma? Prisoner's dilemma and Heinz dilemma, right? Okay. Welcome back everyone. You are watching Psycho Professor English. So in today's video, we will be discussing about how you can achieve GRF or NET or your PhD entrance selection. How you can make sure that you can do this. Alright, so first thing first, the PYQ again relatively very important, way important than you can even imagine. So it is the need of the hour that you must do all the PYQs from 2021 to 2023 at least once or twice, because we are having short of time. People are doing it for 5 6 times regularly, continuously, each and every day they are doing PYQs. So make sure that you do the PYQs wholeheartedly at least once, or if you can do twice it's better, but at least give a shot to this 2021 to 2023, approximately 5 6 7 papers you will be having. So make sure that you go through all of them, grab all the question diversity or versatility the question is having, gather all the knowledge whatever you can do from these papers. All right, so this is the first step: do the PYQs wholeheartedly. Then again, stick to the basics. The books we have discussed: the Ciccarelli thing, the Barron thing, and the AK Singh thing. So these are the books which you must do if you are doing self study. If you are doing self study, then you must do Soundrake, Ciccarelli, and AK Singh. And if not Chicharelli, you are not preferring it, go with Baron, but it will, you might not be able to do anything with Baron. So it's better that you go with Chicharelli and then with AK Singh. Alright, so Chicharelli plus AK Singh is a deadly combination for clearing this examination, for getting out of 100 80 90 approximately. You can get 80 90 questions correct if you do this thoroughly. But to be honest, this Ciccarelli and this AK Singh will not give you that much of benefit if you read it only once. Read once and you will reach nowhere. Read twice, you will start to reaching. Read thrice, read four, read five. At least 4 to 5 times rapid revision. Everything is given in this, everything is given in this, but you just have to revise plus memorize. Alright. So you must know all the facts which are there. You must also know the formula for variance. You must know the formula for FA, what it is, if there is any. All right, and mainly the concept. If you are preparing on own, the concept clarity is very important. Concept clarity is very important. Make sure that all the concepts are cleared. All right, so concept clarity is first, so that you can do those 5 questions which comes as assertion and reason. So this assertion and reason is based on this concept clarity, as well as the paragraph which is coming these days is again based on this thing, that your concepts are clear or not about behavior modification, about classical conditioning, about operational conditioning, but it comes applied based. The format remains the same, the concept remains the same. What the concept for OC and CC is, the operant conditioning is stimulus, we are getting the response, some things will happen. What is that? That is the generalization, discrimination, spontaneous recovery, extinction. So the question will come from here only, but they will, what they will do is just change the format of the question, make it more applied based. Okay, so they last time they have told about a mother and a child, or a sister or a brother, something like that. So the syllabus, the concept will remain the same. What is stimulus generalization, what is stimulus discrimination, what is spontaneous recovery, what is extinction, what is neutral stimulus, what is higher order conditioning, what is second order conditioning, and how things work. All right, what is systematic desensitization? It's just an example from one of the topic of your unit number 5. So there are more examples like this that you need to figure it out if you are doing it from self study, from the books as well as from the PYQs. All right, so PYQ plus book for next 60-50 days plus our lectures, whatever you are getting. Make sure you don't miss on that, the PYQ solutions thing. So make sure you watch all those videos and you are good to go. You will be able to clear whatever you are aiming for, be it net or be it GRF. Right, make sure that you revise it thoroughly before the examination. Okay, all right, that's all it for now. Do these things, follow these things, you will be able to see a very big difference in your numbers if you follow it religiously, if you follow it completely. If you have any doubts, don't forget to comment down below. If you want to read or study or something you want to ask about the topics related to that you are not able to get it, then we can try to make a video on that to explain you things better. But make sure that you comment, and we will like to help you in whichever way it is possible for all of you. Okay, yes, you can find the links below. If you have not yet bought the books or you are not studying from the books, if you are reading from PDF, whatever it is, make sure that you get the books from the link below. If you don't have, if you have, very good, read it from there. But if you don't have, the links are given below. Make sure that you do order or purchase, or if you are having it available in offline market, then also it's very good. All right, okay, apart from that, now the exam is offline mode, the online mode is cancelled out. So now what you are going to do is you're going to fill the OMR sheet like 1 2 3 4 5 and A B C D. Now you have to fill one of the options, one of the circles, from using ball point black pen. So make sure that you purchase black, blue pen, whatever they are mentioning in the admit card. Make sure that you take 2-3 pens along with you in the exam hall with the water bottle as well. And we will discuss all what needs to be taken at the center lately in some of the video. But right now, for now, the online exam is not going to happen. Like, the exam will be on 16 June. They are saying that, they are pretending that they will be able to conduct the examination, but it is highly likely not to be possible, likely impossible to conduct the examination along with UPSC. But if they are so determined that they can conduct, but it's likely not possible to conduct along with UPSC. Be it other any state examination they would have conducted, but with UPSC it is likely not possible. But we will wait for the final confirmation from them. Okay, for now what you have to take away is the PYQ, the books, the revision. All right, and your exam is going to happen offline. All right, okay, so what we have done, we have prepared a practice booklet of unit number second, PYQ, not PYQ, MCQ practice booklet we have prepared. If you have not watched the previous video, make sure you watch the previous video, and if you want to order that, you can order it. Details are given in that video only. You can find it in the description as well. So make sure that you must prepare unit 2 thoroughly. But why you need to prepare, you have to watch the video. Why you need this booklet, how it can help you, what it can provide you, you can have a better idea once you watch that video. All right, so the link is in description. Make sure don't forget to watch the video. Watch the video. If you want to practice, order that book, order that booklet thing, and you are good to go with your unit number second. Why we are saying unit number second? Only unit number second you will be able to do 100 questions. Okay, so you can assess before the examination how you are doing in unit number second, research methods and statistics. All right, so these 100 questions will come in your examination as well. You will find out once you get that. All right, so make sure you watch that video is in the description. People have also ordered, so they are having a little edge before you. So don't forget, don't miss out on anything. And if you are preparing it very wholeheartedly, very religiously with your self study. All right, so don't keep any stone or any page unturned, and do practice a lot with unit number 2, particularly coming in the zone with this PhD entrance. So now PhD entrance thing is coming. Paper might get a turn, paper might be something what of we call as tricky, or maybe something like that, because what they will ask in PhD entrance is research method. So you must be not a beginner in research, make sure before giving the examination. All right. So whatever you are looking into PYQs, make sure that you study it thoroughly. Make sure you go into deep options and all that, so that you don't miss out on anything. All right. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you have liked the video. You have enjoyed the video. You have gained some insights from the video. If you like it, thanks for you. If you share it, thanks for you. If you subscribe it already, thanks for you already. And if you have not yet joined the Telegram channel, so don't forget to join the Telegram channel as well with the same name. Type the same name in Telegram search bar and you will be able to get access to Telegram group. All right. Okay. If you have any doubts, anything related to the examination which is going to be conducted very soon, please comment down below. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day ahead. Take care.